Can start.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, my dear students. You are all warm. Welcome to the wonderful session of the question part. Today, we are going to discuss the remaining part of the question sessions. Okay. So already we saw it. How many questions already we saw it? 40 questions already we discussed. In before the 100 questions also already we discussed. Total how much? 140 questions is there. Each questions it has 4 options. So multiply into 4, you will get it 140 into 4. How much is there? You calculate it. Okay. So today we are going to start the 40 questions, 40. Okay, my dear. See this one. Yesterday we saw this part. Okay. So today the 41s. The match the column first and column 2. Okay. Here they have given us a cell divisions. Particularly which type of cell division, this is just to see it, you will get it the ideas. Prophase, okay, prophase, anaphase, metaphase, and telophase, isn't it? Prophase, anaphase, metaphase, telophase. They have given is a reversible manner, isn't it? Already we discussed what is by metaphase. Metaphase is nothing but all the chromosome are in the center. Okay, isn't it, my dear? So already in our board, there is a centromere is the all the chromosomes, they are all arranged in the centromere only, isn't it? Middle part. Okay, middle part. Okay, my dear. Here what happened, So the part is like this. Isn't it, my dear? So all are arranged in the center. Okay, so the see here, the metaphase is the chromosome aligned at the metaphase plate only. Say here this one. So the second metaphase, which one is the answer is third one. Where is it present? This one. So one, if you know the one answer, you can see it. All those things are correct. Sometimes it may be complicated. See here they have given us a suppose if it is 5 is the first one is the answer. So the here see that complication is there. But they have given us here which one second one is the answer, third one. Second the answer is third one is this is the correct answer maybe. Okay, see it, how is it that? So the A is 2. What is that? Telophase is 2. The Golgi complex and the endoplasmic reticulum reforms when it is the last phase of the cell division, isn't it? The last phase of the cell division. Isn't it, my dear? Last phase. So it is reformed. Okay. So it is also here correct. How is it? See that next one. You will get the idea. Already we discussed this part. Prophase. The centriole starts move to the opposite pole. See, this is called as a prophase stages. Okay. The centrosomes move towards the opposite pole. This is the absence. It is given in the form of what is that? These are all of the thinking, critical thinking and applicable questions. Applicable. Just already known the answer, but you have to recollect all those things. Okay. So then only you will get the options. Okay, my dear. So this is the important point. And next one is what is a metaphase? Metaphase already we discussed. Chromosome aligned in the metaphase plate. See here, this is the metaphase. This is the metaphase. This is the prophase only. So it is not given in your options. Anaphase and telophase. Telophase is the last space, isn't it? Last phase. Anaphase next one. So after that, the metaphase, see here, the chromosomes are lined up the metaphase plate only. They have given is the same is here. Okay, metaphase. Okay, so the option is here. Okay, so this is the option, this is the option. And the anaphase, splitting of centromere, splitting of centromere, see here, the centromere split. Okay, so that is called as anaphase. The last one already you know about that Golgi complex and endoplasmic reformed. Again, it will form and also it undergo the cell division process. As a result, you will get the double cell. Okay, this is the last stage. So here, see here, begins to decompose nuclear envelope material surrounding each set of chromosomes. This is the concept. Nuclear envelope, nuclear Golgi complex as well as the endoplasmic reform means this is the formation. See here, this is the dot, is there no? It is a reform of Golgi complex and the endoplasmic reticulum and also nucleus also. So the answer is which one? The third one is the correct one. Already we discussed in this part. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. So this is also already we discussed this part also, because it is considered. See here, how many complicated is that? There, what happened? The mitotic cell division already about single cell. It provides. Single cell it gives undergoes the multiplication process. Okay, and gives two daughter cells. This is called as mitotic cell. Okay, so single cell is divided into two daughter cells. Okay, my dear. So this is the normal. This is a mitotic. Already we discussed 2n stage. There is no any changes. Okay, but in this category, what is that? It is a complicated one. That's why it is comes under the headings known as what is that? What is that? Meiosis, sexual reproduction. So as a result, what happened? They're crossing over, as well as the other process also occurs. Isn't it, my dear? So A, B, C, D. Here the A is there. What is that? Okay. 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 See here. So this one is A and B and C and D. Starting from here only two and also here. Here, how many off? Here we will get it. How many offspring we will get it? There is a two types. Here two is there. Here also two. So you can see it easy directly. Which one? It is nothing but the meiosis. Meiosis only. So last the result, what is that? You just see it the last diagram. Okay, there all are is a of four offspring of formation takes place with the hybrids of the two chromosomes, isn't it, my dear? So we come to the conclusion. Last one means, so the step is how is it will all are second phase only. It will not come to the first phase, because you will get the result like this. So prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2 is the correct answer. You have to practice the diagram, then it will be better for your understanding. See the options. Prophase. Okay, prophase 2 and metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. Each one it has a specific characters. Okay, my dear. Just to go through it, and diagram practice must, my dear. Diagram in cell division part, meiosis and mitosis must. Okay, and sometimes they may ask the questions differences. Chiasma. Okay, crossing over where it occurs. This is the one question. And chiasma. Okay, chiasma formation where it takes place. Where the chromosomes are arranged in the linear in the place. So linear arrangements. And third one is reformation where it occurs. Okay, the last phase, telophase. Mitosis as well as meiosis. It's so okay, both are different, but at the same time, which one is a reduction division? Reduction division is nothing but which one? Meiotic is a reduction division. Mitotic, it is not a reduction division. Where it occurs, mitosis occurs in the somatic cells. Somatic cell. At the same time, meiosis occurs reproductive cells. So here crossing over is also occurs as well as the off. Okay, reduce into off. So these are the general characteristics between the differences between the meiosis as well as the mitosis. Just to go through it, then only we'll get it. Next one is the gibberellin are promoted PGR, plant growth regulators. There are more than 100 gibberellins reported from the widely different organisms. Already we discussed, I think, this part. Okay, just to close your eyes and then write which one is correct, just to imagine. So this one is the correct one. So here from to here, GA1 to GA100. Okay, phytochromes also secreted. That is called as gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acid is there. The gibberellic acid is also isolated from the one of the fungi is called as Gibberella fugicura. Gibberella fugicura. Okay, my dear. This is the important fungi. So particularly gibberellin A3 is the mostly worldwide used one, my dear student. Intensively studied. Okay. So you have to know the structures also. It is also similar to the structure will be like this. Okay. So like this, it will come. Just to go through it, you will get the ideas. Okay. See that one? Already we saw it, this part also. What type of pollination takes place in the Wallis area? Okay. So this is the second one is the answer. Pollination occurs in submerged condition by water. It is not possible because Wallis area, the male part is also floating on the surface of the water. So it is also the second one, surface of the water, and pollination occurs by the insects. Okay. The option is which one you know. So this is the correct answer. These are all a direct question, my dear. See this one. The answer is 2. The epiphylla hydrophilus. Okay. And which method of use to control pollutant particular nature? Already we discussed this part also yesterday, isn't it, my dear? Take an example. Say any one of the industries, what happened? No, they exhaust many. What is that? Okay. So many. What is that? Smoke. How it will be controlled by the control board? You know, which would, it is not compulsion. It is not absorption. And you can electrostatic precipitator. Electrostatic precipitator used for the control of pollutant. So oxidation body, it will not come. So the answer is the third one. Already we know about this part also. These are all a direct question, my dear. Okay. And see that electroprecipitator is a filtration device that remove the fine particles. Fine particles means you know very about like a dust and also smoke from the flowing gases using the force of an induced electrostatic charges, minimally impeding the flow of gases throughout the unit completely. When you are using this type of precipitator, what happens? No, the dust particle is very less. It can be exhausted from the industries. Which of the following is not a biodiversity in hotspot? Okay, already we discussed here. How many hotspot is there? You know, there are so many hotspot in there. Particularly, there are 6 spot is there. Sorry. Okay. Western Ghats is also one of them. And Indo-Burma, Himalayan region, the east it will not come. So these are the hot biodiversity, hotspot. Okay, in India. Okay, India. Okay, don't forget, my dear students. See that the answer is 4. Biodiversity hotspot of India, Himalayas, it's come Indo-Burma and also Western Ghats. Okay, and Sandaland, otherwise called Sundaland, Andaman Nicobar Island. These are all out of the country, isn't it? In our country. So what happened now? Which one it is not coming here? You know, the last one. Which one? East. Okay, it will not come. So the answer is this one is the correct one. So these are the. So here the question is that which one of the following in which one of the following hotspot present in our country like that India? They ask the question. This is the question. But sometimes they may ask the except this like that they ask. Okay, my dear. So this is the another part. Read statement A to C. Okay. The consumer that feed on the herbivorous or carnivorous are more correctly primary carnivore. Yes. Consumer that feed on the herbivorous or carnivorous are more correctly primary carnivorous. Yes, it is a correct one, my dear. Okay. So already you know about. Take an examples. Any one of the plant. First one is producer, isn't it? Producer. The producer, what are they? You know about the grasses. Producer consumed by herbivorous. Okay. Herbivorous. Okay. What are they? You know, rabbit. Okay. And deer and whatever it may be. These are the. So this one is primary. Okay. Consumer, isn't it? The primary consumer was consumed by the primary, listen here, carnivorous. So the answer is this one is correct. Okay. The deleterious food chain begins with the dead organic matter. Already, you know, deleterious food chain is also already, you know, it is also started from the dead organic matter only. It is also a correct one, direct question. Based on the source of nutrition, food and organism occupy a specific place in the food chain. It is known as the tropical level. Yes. So it is considered. For example, grassland is also one of the tropic level. Desert land is also one of the tropic level. Forest, deepest forest, rainforest, aquatic, all are, it has a own specific, what is that? Nutrition, organic occupation, and also food chain also there. Okay. So it is also called as what is that? So here the statement is which one is correct only they asked, isn't it? So A is correct, B is correct, C is correct. So the option is fourth one. Okay. You have to read the question more than 2 times, then only it will get the answer. Here already you know what is by mutualism. Both organisms are benefited. So the first one is second. Where is the first one is second? These two only options. Parasitism. What is the meaning of parasitism? Parasitism means already you know about one is beneficial, another one is what is that? Harm. Isn't it? That is the one. Commensalism. Both are benefited. Both are benefit. Amensalism. One is benefited, another one is not benefited. Like that it comes. See the option. Which one you know? Second one is the option. Second one. A is 2. B is 4. See here. A is 2. So the mutualism, both organism is benefited. That is the first one. Already discussed it, that part also. Okay. So A is this part. Same mistake also I did this, say that day also. Okay. This one is called as 1. So this is the option. B is 4-1. B is parasitum. One organism is beneficial, others have loss. Okay, one is plus, another one is loss. Here both are beneficial, positive and positive. Commensalism. Here also what happened? Both are beneficial only. Okay, what they have given C is 1. A kind of association in which one organism benefited and others unaffected, but also beneficial one. So both are beneficial X. Okay, commensalisms. The last one is amensalism. One organism have loss and no effect on others one. Okay, this is the amensalism. See here, you have to know the symbol. Amensalisms -0. Okay, so you should note it down very clearly, my dear students. Here they have given you know mutualism, parasitism, commensalism, amensalism. Mutualisms here, yeah, they both are beneficial one, positive and positive. Okay, positive, positive M. Parasitism, see here the positive and minus. One is beneficial, another one is what is that? Loose. Commensalism. Commensalism, what is the meaning? One is beneficial, others non-harmful. Amensalism, what happened? You know, minus and 0. Okay, there is no any uses in this. Predation. Predation means one is beneficial, another one is losses. Also same. These both are same. Parasitism or predation is also same concept. See here, positive, positive, and minus, minus. In competition means what is then both are getting minus. Sometimes they may ask the question. Don't forget, my dear, in the chart, definitely the question is NEET 2023. Okay, my dear. So this is very, very important, my dear students. What is the next one? Which one of the following examples carrying out of biological control pest using fungi? Already we discussed. This one is called as. Okay. This one is called as already we know. What is that? Which one of the following is an example carrying out of biological control of the pest using fungi? Which one is fungi here, you know? Okay. Last one, trichoderma. Already we discussed this part also. Trichoderma is a fungi. Isn't it, my dear? Bacillus thuringiensis, BT cotton. Already you know what. PT, sorry, you have to write the PT cotton. Okay. Here, which gene is present in cry gene is also very, very important, my dear. So many times they ask the question. Bacillus thuringiensis against butterfly caterpillar. Okay. And pachyloviruses against a certain insect and arthropods. Ladybird speedil against the aphids. These are all or what is the? This one is the wrong one. See here. The Trichoderma horizontium is a fungus that is also used as a fungicides. Certain pathogen is as given. Okay, this is also a concept. Okay, don't forget, my dear. This is a concept orient. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. They identify the mismatch pair. Here they have given us a variety. These are the type of what is that? A newly discovered plant which has the resistant. What are the? Which one is the mismatched pair? Just imagine mismatched. Okay, my dear. Mismatch means it's a wrong one. Okay, wrong. Don't forget. The Pusa Komal. Pusa Swani, Pusa Sadabahar, and Himigri. Okay, in this category, which one is the wrong one? Just imagine black rot. It will not the correct options. Others are correct one. See here. The Pusa Komal is the bacterial blight. Okay, here they have given us a bacterial blight only. Okay, so the first one is correct one because they are all a direct question, my dear student, this part. So this one is also a correct one. Pusa Swani, see the second one. Pusa Swani, otherwise called as Pusa A4. It is an insect-resistant variety of okra. Okay, that shows the resistance against soot and fruit borer. Here the option is what they have given, soot and fruit borer only. Okay, my dear. So the option is also here. This one is also a correct one, isn't it? This one is also a correct one. The Pusa Sada Bahar is a black rot. I told you. See here, the Pusa Sada Bahar is the disease-resistant variety of chili. And Pusa Sada Bahar is that resistant to tobacco mosaic virus, chili mosaic virus, and leafy curly viruses. But they have given which one? Black rot. Black rot, it will not come. So then black rot is caused by which one? See the option last one. Black rot is caused by the bacteria Xanthomonas campestris and PV campestris. The last one is Himigri variety, wheat resistance or leaf stripes, rust, and hill burnt diseases. That thing's also already given. See here, leaf and striped rust. So which one is wrongly matched means you have to understand Pusa Sagabadiri is the black rot they have given. It is not like that. It may produce the tobacco mosaic virus diseases, TMV virus, and so on. So this one is the wrong one. So others are correctly matched. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. The most distinguishable characters, echinodam is presence of echinodam. Echinodam, the specialized characteristics already in our board. Which one? See that water vascular system. Okay, the general characteristics. Okay, my dear. See here. Water vascular system means what is that? Just like a blood circulatory system, exoskeleton. The most distinguishable character, echinoderm. You have to read the echinoderm general characteristics. Okay, general characteristic or habitat you study means you can see these things all. The presence of distinguished character, which means all are normally present. Exoskeleton, yes. Bilaterally symmetrical adult, okay. Star-shaped body. That means the structure will be like this. Starfish, you can imagine. Okay, this is the echinoderm. So what is the main function of this one? A different part of the body means water vascular system is a different part. Others are not different. All are present the same in the other animals also, particularly water vascular system in example. See here, the water vascular system is distinct features present in the echinoderm. Okay. You must study when you are going to study the lessons, particularly in the which one? So this type of classification, okay, this type of classification, you should note it down. Three things is very, very important. First of all, okay, animal kingdom. Animal kingdom, first. Which type? First one is type. Already we discussed first part. Second one is how it will be present. That skin layer, ectoderm, hypoderm, mesoderm, and ectoderm. Endoderm, ectoderm, mesoderm, like that it will come. And how it will be splitted, biradial, bilateral, symmetrical, asymmetrical, like that. And also, and water vascular system is hydraulic system used by echinoderm. This is the water vascular system, my dear students. Okay, so this is the part. Okay, so such as sea star and also sea urchin. Take an example. These are the two examples has given for locomotion and food and waste transpiration and respiration also done by the water vascular system. Through the water vascular system, the system is composed of canal connecting numerous tube feet. That is things. These are all are considered here. What is a tube feet? See here, each one it has a tube feet. Okay. So there is some other structures of podia, sucker, polion, vesicle, lateral canal, radial canal, stone canal. Okay. a ring canal. How many canals here? See here, ring canal, radial canal, stone canal, lateral canal. Metrophorite, like that. There are specialized structures also present in it. So the entire structure mostly, what is the specialized features of the echinoderm? Echinoderm examples they have given is a sea stars, starfish. This is also one of the starfish. Just take an example. Okay, just to take an example. This is the starfish. Okay, go to the next one. Identify the A in the above figure. Just see here, this one. Papillary muscles? No. Okay. What about the chordae tendines? No. Tricuspid valve? Yes. Here the bicuspid valve is there. Here tricuspid valve is there. So it is also a correct one. Papillary muscles, again, double time. It's papillary, pupillary. You know the difference between these two. Sometimes it may be confused, isn't it, my dear? So the option is tricuspid valve is the correct one. Identify the A only they have given. So this part is the A. So here what happened? No, that a valve is like this, isn't it? Triple. Suppose the structure will be like this, no? Okay. Just draw the structure like this. You have to divide it like this. So in this part, where what happened? Tricuspid. Here the bicuspid is there. Okay. Here, what is that? Already you know about that things also. This peacemaker in these places. Purkinje fiber. Okay, all those things already you know. You just to practice it in heart structures also. Heart is definitely one question is there. Okay, so NEET. Don't forget, my dear students. Sometimes they may ask the questions. Left up. Okay, that second also very, very important. Which one is the longest sound? How many minutes is there? Okay, whether it be opening of walls or closing of walls. Whether it be right auricle or left auricle or right auricle or right ventricle or left ventricle, like that. Okay, so these are the part. How the oxygenated blood enter inside, how the deoxygenated blood outside, that things also. Okay, you must note it down, my dear student. That is very, very important. Okay, my dear. So go to the next one. See the structure. So this is the part. Okay, they mentioned, isn't it? This part. Sorry. Okay, this part is there. See here, tricuspid. Suppose if it is the eighth one. Okay, so what is this one? So this is called arteriosemilunar valve. They have given the options arteriosemilunar valve. No. Okay, the option is this one. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. Maximum concentration of dash antibody. Maximum concentration. When the maximum concentration increases, automatically you will get the allergy. You know, board. You know very well. Immunoglobulin is there, one of the antibodies, isn't it? There are 5 types of antibodies there. G, immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, M, and D, and E is also there. There are 5 types of immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin D, immunoglobulin E. In this category, this is the last one. Immunoglobulin E is a anti-allergic substances. When it increases, automatically the allergens comes. So immunoglobulin A, E is, where is it? These two only. Isn't it? These two only. The answer is also comes to these two only. Isn't it, mate? When it happens, okay, these two, it will not come. The anaphylactic shock and urticaria. Okay. The option is which one, you know? Anaphylactic. What is the meaning of anaphylactic shock? See the options. See that immunoglobulin E, the second one is the answer, anaphylactic shock only. In most people, anaphylaxis is caused by the presence of antibodies called as immunoglobulin E. In people with allergy, immunoglobulin E is made up of response substance such as food, medicine, or insect venoms. So it has the anaphylactic shock because when we are consuming this type of food, what happens? Automatically the physiological changes occurs in your body. So as a result, what happen? You know, lead to the anaphylactic shock. The option is, what is that? You know, the second one is the correct one. Okay, my dear. If you have any doubt, please ask me, my dears. Okay, next one is, okay. So next one is, what is that? You know, just imagine here, assess and reasoning questions. The pancreas is compound gland situated between the lymph of C-shaped duodenum. Where the duodenum is there, C-shaped duodenum. Okay. Pancreas. Okay. And the next one is the exocrine portion of it secrete an alkaline pancreatic juice. So both are, I think it's a correct answer because it's a direct question. So you have to read the question, then only it will be understand. Exocrine or endocrine, this one. See the option, you will get the answer. So 2 is the pancreas is a mixed gland. Yes, it is also a mixed gland. Otherwise called as pancreas is a compound gland. Both are same. Mixed gland or a compound gland. So both are same. See that compound gland or mixed gland. Okay, so this is also very, very important. Situated between the limb of the C-shaped duodenum. See the answer? C-shape of the duodenum. Sometimes they may ask the question, C-shaped duodenum. Okay, which one of the gland it will be located? It will be present. Like that, they may ask the questions. So the pancreas is a mixed gland, otherwise called as compound gland. Okay, so they told. Where it located, see that? Abdominal cavity between the limbs. Abdominal cavity of the limbs, C-shaped duodenum. So our duodenum, it's contained how shape, which shape? Sometimes they may ask the letter. C-shaped duodenum. Okay, don't forget here. The question is also arises from answers sometimes below the stomach. And second one is pancreatic juice. The pancreatic contain exocrine glands that produce the enzyme important for to digestion. Pancreatic juice is also liquid secreted by the pancreas, which contain number of digestive enzymes. Pancreatic is also nothing but the number of digestive enzymes, lipase, protease, carboxypeptidase, and so many enzymes it will come. Okay, lipase. Okay, pancreatic juice. Already knowable HCl is also carboxypeptidase. So many enzymes secreted by this one. So the answer is 2 is the correct one. So see the both assertion reasons are true, but the reason is not correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, here the alkaline pancreatic juice. Alkaline means what is that? Sometimes it also produces HCl, but here the alkaline there given. Okay, the pancreatic juice is always in acid nature. HCl, isn't it, my dear? Pancreatic is known as HCl secreted. Okay, the pH already you know about 1.5 to 2.8 pH. So they have given alkaline means, so it is not a correct one. So the option is the second one is the right one. What is the name? Next one. Given below are 2 statements. Adipose tissue serves as a support framework for epithelium. And statement 2, in all connective tissues except blood, the cells secrete fiber structural protein called as collagen and elastin in the light of the above statement. Okay. Given below or 2 statement is that. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Okay. This one is correct. How it will be known? No? The blood, except the blood, all are secrete the protein molecules. Already know about. Okay. See the option. The third one is the correct one. How it will be done? Statement 1 is correct, but the second one, statement 2 is the 2 is also a correct. Sorry. The statement 1 is incorrect, but the statement 2 is the correct one. Okay. See here, this part. Okay. So this is the adipose tissue serves as a support framework for epithelium. What is the option given here? The earlier tissue that serves as a support for framework for epithelium. So the option is wrong, this one. So second one is the correct. Okay, my dear. So you have to read the question. This is what is that? Fact type of questions. Direct questions. Areolar tissue. This is the critical thinking also. CT question like that. Areolar tissues. But they have given us a different types. And in all the connective tissues except blood, okay, the secrete fiber of structural protein called as collagen and elastin. This is the correct one. So the second statement is correct. The first statement is wrong. So the option is okay. The concept you should note it down. Then only it will be answer. This one already you can easily identify. You must note it down. Mouth parts of the cockroach. Okay, mouth parts of the cockroach mouth. What is the mouth parts of the cockroach? Already in our board. Which is the correct one? The A given here. This one is called as what is that? Labrum or labium. These two only. Okay. A. What about the side? There is a small one is there. Okay. So what is this one? What about the center one? This is called as what is that? This one. What about the D? Here they are given what is that? Reversely. The option is E is also. They have given griddle regions, incision region, that and all. Here only they have given is a 4 only they have given options. A, B, C, D only. 4 only they asked. Okay. In the reverse manner also. Just imagine. Reverse manner. So which one is the last one? The D is the one. Okay. Compare between the things. So you will get the options. See here. So they have given as a D as a labrum. Don't forget. This is very, very important, my dear students. Labrum is the D part. Labium, sorry. So here they have given us a labrum. D is started from here. In this question paper, just to see here, this is the D. They ask the D also. So that one is called as what is that? Labrum. Where is the labrum? Is the D? See, the labrum is these two only. Okay. So you have to find out the answer. These are all a practice only. It will come, my dear. You have to practice it. Option, these two only. It will not come these two. So D is the labrum. Okay. And then second one is C. Where is the C here? In this part. This is called as what is that? Maxilla. Okay. Maxilla means maximum size is that. Compared to the other things, it is a maximum size. See here. So these two are maxilla. Okay. These two are maxilla. See that these two are maxilla. So the option C is called as what is that? Maxilla. Okay. The next one is called as B. Maxilla is here. Okay. So option this one it will not come. Automatically the answer this one. Okay. And then B is a mandible. Correct only. So this one is called as mandible. And the last one A is the labium. So starting the upper part is called as labium, mandible, maxilla, and also labrum. Okay, my dear. You practice it. This one you have to mug a bit. Okay. So then only it will get you the correct option. It's a labium, maxilla, mandible, labrum. So which one is the upper part? Labrum. Lower labium. So both the side there is a two pair of mandible. Okay. That is called as maxilla. See there, both upper and lower also there is a rum and yum. Know the difference between these two. Rum. Rum is the upper part. Okay. So labrum is the upper part. Labium is the lower part. Mandible is a two side. Maxilla is also a two side one. So this is NEET question, my dear. Don't forget. Definitely it will come. Definitely question is that. NEET 2023 and 24. Next one. Already you saw it, this part. Okay. The marks the incorrect statement regarding the animal shown in the figure below. See here. Already you know about this part is comes under the heading is known as convergent evolution process. Isn't it, my dear? Evolutions. It indicates their common ancestry. It indicates divergent evolution. It shows the homologous organ. It shows the different structure evolution from the same function. Which one is the correct answer here? It shows the homologous organ. See the option. So these are all are considered as a homologous organ. Homologous organs are that are similar in structure but different functions. Okay, my dear. Let us consider the following examples. Forelimb of the man, cheetah, whale, and bat. The forelimb of the mentioned organism possesses similar anatomical structure and have a similar bones, but their function is differs. The forelimb of the human is used to hold the things right, and that of the cheetah is used to run and also walk. The whale is used to forelimb, and swimming of the bat used for the forelimb of the fly. So here the option is which one? Don't forget, this is very, very important. Homologous organs and also the same organ and used for the different functions. Same organ. Okay. Organs. but different function. Okay, my dear. So that is very, very important, my dear. Go to the next one. The universe originated before how many years? Already you know about this part. How many years it will take? 3 billion years, 4 billion years, 20 billion years, and 5 billion years. Any one of you? Will you please give me the answer for this one? Any one of you. So 3 billions, 4 billions, and 5 billions, 20 billion. Take an example of ping pong. Ping pong theory. As per the ping pong theory, the option is third one. So 20 billion years ago. These are all a direct question, my dear students. Don't forget. This is very, very important. 20 billion years. The universe is very old and originated about 20 billion years ago, according to the ping pong theory. Okay? Don't forget. And then vital capacity of your lungs is, okay, vital capacity. What is the meaning of vital capacity of the lungs? Already you know, well, each and every person, they are having own lungs capacity. Okay, how much is that? Will you please 1.5 liter? Okay, that is equal to 1,500. Isn't it, my dear? But here, which one is the correct, you know? IRV plus ERV. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling, and also tidal value. Inhaling, exhaling, tidal value at rest value. Okay, so same process also. So which one is the correct one? And the vital capacity means total. Okay, so you have to know now, all are adding only, no minus. So these two, it will not come. So this one is the correct answer, I think. See this one, the second one. Inspiration value, expiration value, tidal value. Okay, go total all the three calculated, you will get the vital capacity of the lungs. Okay, so maximum 4.0 liters they told. 80% of total capacity is 4.0 liters they told. These are all known as this one only, because according to the questions, we are choosing the answer. VC, vital capacity, that is equal to, this is the formula. There are 4 or 5 formulas that just to mock a bit. Okay, or practice it. So here vital capacity only they ask, lungs vital capacity. So vital capacity simply we may call it as VC. VC, that is equal to tidal value plus inspiration plus expiration. Okay, expiration value. So we'll get the vital capacity, IRV, ERV, TV. Okay, my dear. So go to the next one. What is the source of TI plasmid? TI means tumor inducing plasmids. What is that meaning? Tumor inducing plasmids. Tumor inducing, which is modified and used as a cloning vector to deliver the desirable gene into plant cells. You can see this part. The tumor means which one, you know? First one. Immediate answer it. There is no any question at all. This one, it will not. This one, it no need. Agromatophasian tumefaciens only, it is responsible for the TI plasmids. See the options. Agromatophasian tumefaciens. TI plasmid is also obtained from the bacterium Agrobacterium tumefaciens, which is modified used as a cloning vector to deliver the desired gene into the plant cells. Okay, my dear. So this is the important point, my dear. So you have to answer it. This one is the correct one. TI plasmids responsible for the agromatophasian. At the same time, one more is the which gene is responsible for the a cry gene. Already I told you, cry gene. Don't forget, my dear. This is NEET question. This is NEET question. Definitely this year they will ask. 2023 and 24. It got it. Okay. Go to the next one. So this is also already in our birth control. Okay. Male reproductive organs. So you must note what is my GIFT, what is my IUT, what is my GIFT, what is my ICS. GIFT means zygote intrafallopian transfer. IUT means intrauterine transformation. GIFT means what is that? Gamete intrafallopian tubes. ICSC. How it will be there? GIFT already told you. Zygote, jet is also there. Here jet is also. So first one is also option is 3. Where is the first one? Is option is 3 here? Is the last one. Okay, my dear. So you have to find out the answer. Which one is the correct one? The last one is check it is. The B is 1. So IUT, more than 8 blastome here. This is the direct question. Sometimes they ask the question is directly and different manner. So it is very, very important. This one is called. So this one is here. Sorry, this one is third one, isn't it? Okay. And then C is fourth one. Say gift. So here. ICSI is the second one. Okay. So second one. So these are all, you have to practice it, my dear. These are all. Okay. Sometimes they ask the question, the expansion of this part. ZI, FT, and GI, FT, IU, T, IC, SI, ST, D. Okay. And also malt. Okay. Likewise, so many options is that these are all considered expandable, expansion. Okay, my dear. So don't forget, these are all a very important question. This is also a NEET question, my dear. Definitely it will come. Definitely. Don't forget, my dear. 2023. See the question part. GIFT, intrafallopian transfer. So 8 blastomeres. Okay, fallopian tubes of the female, it's called as GIFT. IUT, intrauterine transfer. It is also containing more than 8 blastomeres and transfer to the uterus, then the called as intrauterine transfers. Here, GIFT is also covering the zygote transformation, embryo. Okay. Here, what happened? 8 blastomeres, GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfers. ICSE, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. IVF is also the in vitro fertilization. In vitro means within the lab only. Okay, so these are the important points. So the answer is which one, already I saw it. Okay. See, the next one is, this is also an important point. So this is also an important point. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, simply it's going on. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Adaptive radiations. Okay. And convergent evolutions. And also divergent evolution. Evolution by anthropogenic. Listen here, this is very, very, but this is the key point. Anthropogenic. When the anthropogenic reagent comes, it is also related to which one, the pesticides, the selection of resistant variety due to the excessive use of herbicide and pesticide. What happened? This evolution happened. So last one is, answer is 1. Okay. So the option is third one. Imagine. So the first one is option 4. So adaptive radiation, which one it comes, Darwin finches. So this one is the Darwin finches. These are all practiced, my dear. Then it will get, you will get it the answer. NEET question. This one also definitely it will come. 2023. Okay. And the next one is, what is the third one? Sorry, second one. Convergent evolution. Convergent evolution is option is which one? Third one. Okay, wings of butterfly and bird. The last one, which one, already we discussed. First one is the fourth one. Second one, third one. So reversely it gets given. See here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, see the option, you will get it the idea. Adaptive radiation, Darwin finches. Convergent evolution, wing of butterfly and also birds. Divergent evolution of whale, bones of 4 limbs in man and whales, like that. Okay. Evolution by anthropogenic action, selection of resistant varieties due to the excessive use of herbicide and pesticide. So the option is 4, 3, 2, 1. Practice it, my dear. This is the NEET question. Don't forget, NEET question definitely. Okay. In this part, anyone it will comes. Okay. Definitely it will come. Okay, go to the next one. Assertion and reasoning. It is also here. The PCT, where it's a PCT, proximal convolutional tubules. So the kidney. It is lined by the simple cuboidal breast border epithelium. Second one is the breast border increases the surface area for the reabsorption. Yes, the PCT is lined by the simple cuboidal. Is it correct or not? See their option. The proximal convolutional tubule is lined by the simple cuboidal epithelium. So option assertion is also a correct one. Isn't it, my dear? Already told you. The assertion is correct. Reason is also a correct one, because when the dramatical changes occurs, see that increasing the surface of area available for reabsorption of the substances. This is the given in the reason also. So both the statement is correct and also correct explanation also. The option 1 is the correct one. Okay, my dear. So these are all our highly thinking and critical thinking, my dear students. Okay, you should note it down very importantly. In our proximal convergential tubules, where is it? And also another one is also there. Bowman capsules. Okay, the Bowman capsules followed by which one? There is a small, is that, and followed by the this like this. Okay, so this one. Okay, it comes. This one is called as Bowman exit and outside. Okay, so inside and outside. So this is called as PCT, DCT and PCT. Okay, don't forget digital conventional tubules and also proximal conventional tubules. Okay, sorry, this part. So you have to practice it, then it will become, my dear. Okay, see the next one. Statement 1, the end of the T wave represent and end of the ventricle systole. Yes, correct. The number of QRS complex is given time represent heart rate. Yes, it is also correct. Okay, see the option. So these are all a statement type of questions, my dear. So the end of the T waves of the stand ECG represent the end of the ventricular systole. Correct only. First time I told you. Okay, you have to practice it PQRST. The wave is already in our PQRST. You have to practice it. Which one? The time also. ECG. What is the expansion of ECG? Electrocardiograph. Okay, so ECG. How many seconds it will take? Okay, and to get the heart rate, how much heart rate it will be? See here, there is a first, there is a small, is that? See, sorry, this one it will not come. Okay, come like this, isn't it? Like that. So this part is the PQRST. Q, R, S, and T. This is called as P. So the likewise, you have to practice. T is wave is stand ECG represent end ventricular systoles. This is the part that is given here. Ventricular systoles, and also the QRS complex is given time represent the heart rate. QRS complex that occurs in the given time period. So the option is both are correct statement. Go to the next one. Here, it's a very, very complicated, my dear students. Tissues, pulmonary vein, systolic artery, alveoli, all are having the same things is there. Which one is correct one low? The first one and the last ones, and second one, third one. Which one is the correct one? You have to practice it, which is find out the correct matches from the following table. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 mean tissues. It is 40 mg HHG. Yes, correct. Because these are all direct questions. Second one is pulmonary veins, PO2, 40 mmHg. Is it correct or not? I don't know. Isn't it? Okay. What about the third one? Systemic artery, PO2, 95 mmHg. The last one is called as alveoli, PO2 is equal to 40 mmHg. Which one is the option? 1 and 3. See the option. Tissue PO2 value 1 and 3 only. The tissue PO2 value is cerebral white matter range between 20 to 40 mmHg pressure. Just like see that was first one. Okay. Go to the next one. The pulmonary artery 40 mmHg only they have given. Pulmonary veins they have given 40 mmHg. Here the pulmonary vein given. Here pulmonary artery given. So it is also wrong. Okay. Systematic artery is also 95. See here. Systematic artery also 95. Here what they are asking, correct matches one. Isn't it? Alveoli, what is that? 40 mmHg. See here. The PO2 inside the alveoli calculate approximately 100 mmHg. So option is 1 and 3 only. Okay. Is the correct one. Okay, my dear. So the first option is the correct one. If you have any doubt, please mark it and ask next time. Okay. In this part also NEET. Practice it, my dear. Here pulmonary veins comes sometimes it's a pulmonary artery. Seriya? Okay, pulmonary Artery also sometimes they may ask the question. And one more is that they have given only the oxygen content only, oxygen only. Instead of oxygen, sometimes they ask the CO2 also, PCO2, PO2. So these are the two parties. Only they have given O2 only. Here fully they have given as a O2 only. And also CO2 also present in it. Okay. That things also you have to prepare. Okay. NEET question, definitely one question from this part. NEET. You have to study lot more, lot of things is, my dear students. Select the correct option. The 8th, 9th, and 10th pair of ribs articulate directly with the sternum. How many bone is the ribs, or is that 12 bone is there? Okay. So, and the 11th and 12th pair of ribs are connected to the sternum with the help of the hyaline cartilages. Thoracic vertebrae, ribs, clavicle, and sternum together form as the ribs cage. Ribs have a two articulation surface on its dorsal end. It's hence called as biocephalic. Here, correct options. They didn't give you any option. Okay. See, the option is the 1 and 4 is correct, because the 8th and 9th and 10th pair of ribs do not articulate directly with the sternum. Here they have given is a 8th, 9th, 10th pair is ribs articulate directly with the sternum. So this one is the wrong one. So this one is the wrong one. 11th and 12th pair of ribs are connected to the sternum with the help of hyaline cartilage. Yes. See this option. 11th and 12th pair of ribs are connected to the sternum with the help of hyaline cartilages. Okay. These three sections, ribs, sternum, cartilages. What are the things in the see? Thoracic vertebrae, ribs, clavicle, sternum together form as a rib cage. Clavicle, they told. Here, rib, sternum, cartilage. These are the three. Okay, so this one is also a wrong one. This one is also a wrong one. See here, the option is there. The last one is already, ribs have a two articulate surface and it is dorsal, and hence it is called as biocephalic. So the option is which one, Correct. Correct options only. Okay. So 1 and 4 is correct. I told you this one is wrong, my dear. So the 2 and 4 is the correct one here. You have to change it, this one. Okay. So this one is also here. Wrong answer. Okay. 2 and 4 is the correct answer. Option. See here. The juxtaglomerular apparatus is made up of, just to see it, all are having juxtaglomerular cells. So the first one is we cannot able to find out. Okay. The last one is called as, what is that? Last one, just to see it. The lactic cells, chief cells, and myoepithelial cell, and argentifinium. So here, juxtaglomerular cell, lactic cells, and also myoepithelial cell. Okay, so the option is, see that, juxtaglomerular cells, muscular densa, and laxa cells. See that, macula densa. Here the macula densa. Juxtaglomerular cell. This is called as juxtaglomerular cells. Laceous cells. Laceous cells they didn't give. Are given. Okay. So the option is, the first one is the option is the correct one. See that. Okay. So the option, these are all are diagrammatical questions and also high thinking questions. Okay. You practice it, then only it will get it. So this is the option correct. These three are wrong. The glomerular apparatus is made up of juxtaglomerular cells, macula, J, M, L. Okay. Here J, P, C, J, L, M. See, G, A, M, L, J, M, L, J, M, A. Okay. So this here. So this is the correct answer. Okay, media. See the structure, you can understand. Juxtaglomerular cell is here, and afferent artery, that means which one is entering inside, which one is outside, that is called as effentry. And then macular dense cell is also present in here. Okay. So this one is also important. This is where it present in kidney, Bowman capsules. Kidney, particularly, this one is called as, what is that? Bowman capsules. Okay, media, don't forget. Go to the next one. Read the following statement and choose the correct one for porifera. Now only we studied, isn't it? Water canal system. Collar cell in the spongial cavity. Sperm and egg are produced in different bodies. Fertilization external. Incorrect only they asked. Okay, my dear. Which one is the incorrect statement? Will you please tell me which one is the incorrect statement? Water canal system already only it will be present. Okay. A and B. Collar cell line in the spongial cavity. It is also present. See the option, you will get it the answer. Option 3 you have given. See the sperm and egg are produced in different bodies. See this C only is an incorrect statement. So other 3s are correct only. So already we saw it this part in the previous section. So the water canal system is present. Already we saw it in the star-shaped structures, echinoderm, and also likewise the sporifera also it has the specific structures. And collar cell, okay, it is a specialized structure. Is the last one is what is it? Fertilization external only. Some of them are having the internal. Okay, take an example. Human body also a internal structure only. Female carry the embryo. But sperm and egg are produced in different bodies. It is not a different body. It may produce the same bodies. So the option is C only is the wrong answer. Others 3 are the right one. Answer 3. So what is the structure, Pavel? You are seeing this one. This is not a stunt. This is not an implant. This is not a wallet. Already you know about copper T. Okay. It is used for the device, uterine device. Okay, for the birth control. Okay, there is a small tube-like structure is there. Okay, just like a structure like this, and followed by there is a copper, and allowed by the T. So this is called as T. The shape is look like this one. That's why it is called as copper T. It is made up of copper. Sometimes they may ask the question, NEET question, my dear. See the option, you can understand this. This is the structure. Copper T is the first one. See this one. Okay. It is a intrauterine device like that. Uterine device placed in the female reproductive. As a result, what happened? It will prevent the fertilization in the fallopian tubes. That is very, very important. What is my MOET? MOET, multiple ovulation embryo transference method is increase cord size of the short time, increase the fish population in the short time, increase the milk production in cows, increase the wool production in the same. The hard, increase the hard size of the short times. The option is which one, you know? See this one? I think, see that fourth one. All are correct only they have given because all the options are correct. I also wrong, isn't it, my dear? So it is a very complicated questions. It is very, very complicated. All are correct only. Okay. Sometimes we miss it, you know. So there is a see. Which of the following is not a true for BT cotton? Okay. Which of the following is a not a true for BT cotton? BT cotton, Bacillus thuringiensis cotton. Okay, resistant, so like that. So here you have to mention which one, you know, based on the Bacillus thuringiensis, resistant to bollworm, and increase the reliance of chemical pesticide and high yield of cotton variety. Which one is the correct one? True BT cotton. Okay. So this the second one is, see here, the option is Bacillus thuringiensis resistant to all pesticides they have given. Okay, here any other things is there? Okay. They increase the reliance of the chemical pesticide resistant to bollworm and also Bacillus thuringiensis. They increase the reliance of the chemical pesticides. Okay. So go to the next one. The molecular weight ranging from less than 1,000 Dalton approximately. Okay. So this one is also, what is that? I think it is answer I did find, I think. Okay, answer is there. Okay. See that option is a, see here. Third one is the correct. Fourth one is the correct one. A 1, 3, 4 and B 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. In this part. Okay, A, B, they have given exactly what they are asking. I don't know. I simply skip the skill. Okay. So next time I will discuss this part, my dear students. Skip it. Okay, go to the next one. So which of the following is unmatched pair? liver, hepatocytes, pancreas, Gilson capsule, kidney, nephron, stomach, gastric glands. Hepatocytes, where it present? Pancreas, Gilson capsules, kidney, nephron, already in our board. I think the option is which one? Stomach, gastric gland, yes. Kidney, nephron. Hepatocytes, where it will be present, my dear students? It is present in the kidney. So unmatched, which one? A only. Wrong statement. See that hepatocytes that exist in peripheral region of the uninjured liver. Here, liver, correct only. Sorry. And the Gilson capsule extend the liver and sheath. So the Gilson capsule present in where? Pancreas, liver only. The kidney, nephron, stomach, gastric glands. So unmatched one is pancreas, Gilson capsules. Okay. So this is the options. The Gilson capsule extended into the liver as the sheath around the hepatic duct, hepatic arteries, and portal tubes. So others three are correct only. The second only is the wrong answer. Okay. Go to the next one. The parapodia help to flying, swimming. Radula finger-like rasping organ for feeding. Malpighian tipples help in the fertilization. A soft and spongy layer of the skull form the mantle over the visceral hump. So up to this level, you must note it down, my dear students. This is very, very important questions. See the parapodia. The answer is A, C, D. The parapodia help flying, swimming. Okay, the answer is one is the correct one. Malpighian tipples help to the fertilization because it is used for the some other excretion project. A soft and spongy layer of skulls forms a mantle over the visceral hump. So A and C and D is the correct one. So the option is the A. Not corrected. Okay. So A, C, D is not corrected. Others are corrected. Likewise. So go to the next one. See that this one is also our body. Okay. The match of the following is the clavicle and also clinoid cavity, humerus and ulna. Humerus and ulna, where is it present? In coaxial bone, acetophyllum cavity. Okay, acetophyllum mostly found in where? See here. In the hip bone, isn't it? Acetophyllum. The answer is 3 only is given here. See that which one is the correct answer? 3. A2, the clavicle and also clinoid cavity present in the second one, pectoral girdle. These are all diagrammatical questions. Diagrams related questions, my dear. First one is called as second one. B, the humerus and ulna. Okay, humerus and ulna, it's considered as isthmus, ileum and ischium and pubis. Third one is called as, what is that? Reversely it asks. The coaxial bone is called as forelimb. The acetophyllum is called as, what is the pelvical girdle. So the option is a likewise. It is also where it is now bone related questions. Bone as well as the which joints. Okay, my dears. So today we will finish it up to this level, my dear students. We will see the remaining things on the next class. Please take it, practice it, 100 questions per day, then only we will get succeed. Bye, take care. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.